A massive malware campaign has infected over 300,000 users. This campaign spreads through malicious Chrome and Edge browser extensions. These extensions disguise themselves as popular software. Users are tricked into downloading them from fake websites. This is a stark reminder of the constant threats lurking online. The malware campaign targets users seeking software like Roblox FPS Unlocker, YouTube downloaders, VLC Media Player, Steam, and KeePass. Attackers create convincing websites that mimic legitimate software download portals. These fake websites often appear at the top of search results, deceiving unsuspecting users. The sheer scale of this campaign is alarming. It highlights the sophistication of cybercriminals. They are constantly evolving their tactics to exploit unsuspecting users. This underscores the need for heightened vigilance in the digital landscape. Cybercriminals are masters of deception. They create websites that are almost indistinguishable from legitimate ones. These fake websites often use similar domain names, logos, and designs to fool users. The goal is to create a sense of legitimacy and trust. Imagine searching for a YouTube downloader. You see a website that looks exactly like the official YouTube site. It even has positive user reviews and testimonials. You click the download button thinking you found a safe and reliable source. Unfortunately, you've just been lured into a trap. These fake websites are designed to trick you into downloading and installing malicious software disguised as legitimate extensions. Once installed, these extensions can wreak havoc on your system. They can steal your data, track your online activity, and even take control of your computer. The malware often arrives in the form of a Trojan horse. This means it's hidden within a seemingly harmless file, like a browser extension. Once downloaded and installed, the Trojan unleashes its malicious payload. The malware then sets its sights on your browser. It injects malicious scripts that modify your browser settings. These scripts can change your default search engine, homepage, and new tab page. This redirects your web traffic to sites controlled by the attackers. The impact on users is significant. Hijacked search results expose users to more malicious websites and scams. This creates a vicious cycle that's difficult to break free from. Additionally, the malware makes it nearly impossible to disable or remove the malicious extensions. This leaves users feeling frustrated and vulnerable. Section 4. Fighting back. Removing the malicious extensions and scripts. Removing this malware can be challenging, but it's not impossible. The first step is identifying and removing the malicious extensions from your browser. 1. Go to in your address bar. 2. Look for any suspicious extensions, especially those related to the software you thought you were downloading. 3. Click the Remove button to uninstall the extension. 1. Go to in your address bar. 2. Follow steps 2 and 3 above. Next, you need to remove the malicious scripts that the malware installed. This requires a bit more technical know-how. 1. Open the Windows Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key and R simultaneously. 2. Type and press Enter. 3. Look for any suspicious folders that might have been created by the malware. Delete these folders. 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3, but this time type. Section 5. Lessons learned. The importance of cybersecurity awareness. This malware campaign is a stark reminder of the importance of cybersecurity awareness. It's crucial to be vigilant when downloading software online. Always download software from trusted sources, such as the official website of the software developer. Pay close attention to website addresses. Look for misspellings, strange characters, or unusual domain extensions. If a website looks suspicious, it probably is. Trust your instincts and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from untrusted sources. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. By staying informed and practicing safe browsing habits, you can protect yourself from becoming a victim of cybercrime. Section 6. Echoes of the past, similar malware campaigns. This is not the first time we've seen malware campaigns spreading through fake software downloads. In fact, it's a tactic that's been used time and time again. Cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit our trust and our desire for convenience. In the past, we've seen similar campaigns targeting users searching for popular software like Adobe Flash Player, Java, and even antivirus software. These campaigns highlight the need for continuous vigilance and awareness. The threat landscape is constantly evolving, and so must our defenses. By staying informed, practicing safe browsing habits, and keeping our software up to date, we can create a safer online experience for everyone.